Hey guys, Blake here, Modology US. And I thought it'd be cool today to do like a vlog while I'm working on the car. I'm gonna have a couple different videos, hopefully come out at the same time if all this works out today like I want it to. So today I'm gonna be changing the master cylinder, the brake master cylinder on the Civic, and gonna try and bleed the clutch master cylinder again. But while that's going on, I made a fire. It's been raining so much here and it's been warmer, so the grass is growing and part of this tree fell, so like the majority of those limbs are from that tree. But I don't know, I thought I'd try something new today, doing like a vlog at the same time. There's some other stuff I gotta do this afternoon, and depending on how this goes, you may go with me, maybe not. We'll at least go to test out the brakes and the clutch to make sure they're better. The fire is almost burnt out. I've almost got all this stuff burnt off. And I just did the whole intro to the brake master cylinder video without pressing record on the camera. So that's the kind of start this day is going to have as far as working on the car goes. We'll try again. Alright, so the fire is almost completely gone. I got everything out of the yard and burnt. I got the new brake master cylinder put on. And I bled the clutch master cylinder. I changed it last summer because it was leaking, and it's had air in it ever since, and it's been driving me crazy. So that's fixed. The brakes are fixed. We finished cleaning everything up off the back of the Accord, get the tools put up, and we'll go for a ride and see how it does. Alright, well, now that I know the clutch is adjusted right, I've learned that the clutch is almost shot. Takes and you just barely got to push the pedal to get it to engage and disengage. So, it'll be time for a clutch. And the clutch was, and the hood was open the entire time. Alright. And just another reason to get the Accord running. Alright, I think I'm going to end it here. I didn't get near as much done today as I wanted to, but so is life, I guess. We got some videos coming up soon of getting this boat running, and then tomorrow I'm finally putting all the parts in my wife's Focus because she'll be off work. And there's a ton to do to it, so there'll be more videos on the channel. But I hadn't really done a vlog before, so I just wanted to try my hand at it. But thanks for watching.